Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm going to be talking about something called Pecha Kucha, which actually means chit chat in Japanese, and how we can use this with our students when we're trying to physically distance in the classroom. So if you're interested in this topic, then please keep on watching. So you can see here I have this graphic that explains what a Pecha Kucha is, and I know that many schools are opening now, and we still have to keep everyone healthy and safe by physically distancing. So what are some ways and strategies that we can actually engage our students and motivate them in the classroom without, with keeping physical distance? So a Pecha Kucha is basically 20 slides timed 20 seconds per slide. So altogether you can see it's 6 minutes and 40 seconds. And it was originally invented by Japan, in Japan to keep design presentations succinct and engaging. Now, going to point number 2, the Pecha Kucha, it's a storytelling global phenomenon that actually allows for the creation of powerful, really visually appealing stories, because normally you use photos or really pleasing and visually pleasing graphics. And all of the ideas are really in the form of pictures, so there's no words that are actually presented on these slides. And it's a really great way, I think, for teachers and students to share their passions and their knowledge about a particular topic. It's a very motivating format, and I think it can really demonstrate student understanding if you give them this strategy to be able to communicate their understanding. There are actually lots of templates that are available, and I suggest that you always follow a structure, such as the introduction, main part, and have a conclusion. And if you actually go on the Pecha Kucha website, you'll see a lot of pre-made examples with people talking to each slide for 20 seconds. And so you'll see a lovely story evolve from these examples. I think it's also, at the end of the day, important to make your own, so that you make the Pecha Kucha your own, and teachers and students can create their own. All you need is the 20 slides on any kind of presentation software. So what you can use PowerPoint or Google Slides, and you need 20 seconds for each slide as a timer. And I think it's a wonderful idea to present ideas in different ways. So it could be used as a summative assessment for a student to showcase their learning, and their presentation is 6 minutes and 40 seconds long. Or a teacher can create one and then ask each student in the class to speak to one slide. So you can have 20 students then talking to 20 individual slides to showcase their learning or understanding of a particular topic. I've used many Pecha Kuchas with my students and with adults, and it's actually a lot of fun. So I hope that you enjoy trying this if you haven't tried this before. If you have tried this, I'd love to hear some comments in the section below of how this has worked for you. Thank you so much again for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time.